So today I'm going to talk to you guys about three different things: on versus off-page SEO and backlinks and the importance of them overall. So on versus off-page SEO, right? What do these things actually mean, and why are they important? We'll start with on-page SEO. On-page SEO is essentially anything that is on page. So we're looking at things such as your title tags, your H tags, alternative text, the text and the keywords that are within your body copy. Essentially, these sorts of things need to have content in them and keywords in them that are relevant to your business. Your title tag is like a book cover. You want the most important piece of information and the most important keywords to go within your title tag. Reason being is because your title tag helps you get found for the most important key terms that you're looking to rank for. The next thing is, when it comes to on-page SEO, is your H tags. So your H tags basically help to give an overall hierarchy of how content is written on a page, what relates to what, etc., etc. Followed by that, we're looking at your alternative text. So your alternative text is essentially used for search engines, but it's also used for people with disabilities. How we use alternative text in SEO is we input keywords and input certain things that are important to your business into the image files that are on your website for a specific page. If you have hundreds of images or even thousands of images or even tens of thousands of images, this process is manually repeated for every single one of those images as it relates to the specific keywords and the content that is on that specific page. It's a great way to help rank your website for the things that are actually important to you. Next, we have the keywords that are contained within your body copy. So your body copy is very important. If you don't have content and context to your website, you can't rank for anything. Ranking on Google essentially means that you have the proper content and the right amount of content with the right amount of keywords in that content, so you can be found for the right search terms and the things that are important to your business. With all that said, that is on-page SEO in a nutshell. The next thing that is important about now let's dive into off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is a trust element of SEO. So when it comes to off-page SEO, we're looking at things such as backlinks, social signals, bookmarks, off-page blogging, off-site blogging, etc., those sorts of things. Essentially, off-page SEO is the trust-building element of your website. You want backlinks pointing to your website for keywords that are related to your business. Not all the time, though. Too many times that there are backlinks that have keywords that are related to your business that mention whatever the certain key term is. Too many times, essentially what happens is a search engine will have difficulty trusting your business because you're using backlinks as a manipulation signal to get your website to rank for keywords that are important. It's not necessarily a problem. You just need to know how to do a natural linking profile. So for example, you can have an exact match anchor text, and then you can have just an open piece of anchor text with no link, nothing like that, whatever the case may be. And essentially, as you vary these sorts of things, it helps to have a natural backlink profile. You also want backlinks from multiple different websites, etc., and websites that are related to your niche. Essentially, the backlink helps you to gain trust within the search engine, and overall helps to contribute to your SEO success by merging the two signals together, which is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. There's a couple other things about off-page SEO that are important. These are things like your social signals or even off-site blogs. So first things first, social signals. Social signals are signals that typically come from mentions of your brand, whatever the case may be, typically on social media. So as people are making comments, or they're liking your post, or they're doing various different interactions with your brand, these sorts of signals are picked up from a search engine by a search engine, and it helps to contribute to your company's overall success as it relates to off-page SEO. And then, the next piece is off-site blogging. So off-site blogging, very simple. You go and you produce a piece of content, and after producing that piece of content, you give it to another webmaster, and by doing that, basically, they are getting a piece of content for their website. In return, typically what happens is you'll most of the time end up getting a backlink back to your website, and essentially kind of, this process repeats itself. So tying all of these sorts of things together, on-page SEO is for the overall context of your website. So what is it essentially about? Why it's important? What sort of content do you want to rank for? Off-page SEO is the trust element, the element where you are proving to a search engine, hey, I'm over here and I do these sorts of things, so you should show me for this. That's the trust element. Finally, we have the backlink aspect, which essentially backlinks are votes. So when you put all of this sort of stuff together, you have a clear, very, very well put together SEO strategy and SEO plan that you can use to rank your website for keywords that are important to your business, generating increased search traffic and increased demand in your product or service, and an overall increase in your company's brand awareness and exposure. If you need help with on and off page SEO, or just SEO services in general, the team at Cindtoro Digital Marketing would love to help you. Get in contact with us by calling 407-923-0109. Again, that's 407-923-0109. Or email us at info@cindtoro.com. We would love to help you with your SEO, whether that's on or off page.